Welcome, here I've got LG Velvet and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, and here also we have this button which gives us quick access to the ratio. By tapping on this we can pick 4:3 ratio connected with 48 megapixels, which is the best possible quality of this camera, the standard 4:3 ratio, also 16:9, so this is a little bit longer one, and this is how it looks like. Here we have also access to 1:1 ratio, and we can also pick the full screen, so this is how it changes. So these are the basic options about the resolution. We can also go to the more advanced settings, which are here in the left corner. When we open this, we have access to save options with photo size, and let's pick this. As you can see, here we have more advanced details about it. We have these ratios connected with the quality in megapixels and with the size. So of course I suggest you to keep this on the best possible quality. For 4:3, this is the 48 megapixels or 12 megapixels. With 16:9 and 1:1 ratios we have connected the best possible 9 megapixels, and to full screen this is the 7 megapixels. So we can also manage this like that in these more advanced settings, and the quick access it's here. So this is how it works and this is how it changes. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.